In this video, we are going to see top 15 highly romantic Turkish series you must give a try once. Starting with number 1. Aşktan Kaçılmaz, Can't Run From Love. Aşktan Kaçılmaz is a highly romantic Turkish series and best recommended for fans of romance and crime. This series follows Yasemin, Pelin Akil, a young, ambitious prosecutor in Istanbul, engaged to Ali Çağdaş Onur Öztürk, a narcotics police superintendent. Together, they work tirelessly to catch a drug gang, but they remain unsuccessful. After Yasemin discovers Ali's affair, she is devastated and requests a transfer to Mardin to escape her heartbreak. In Mardin, Yasemin meets Berzin Berkokte, a young man from a powerful and conservative family. While Berzin is modern and independent, his family is deeply involved in illegal drug trafficking. Yasemin and Berzin fall in love unknowingly, only to later realize that their families are on opposite sides of the law. As their relationship grows more complicated, Ali arrives in Mardin, hoping to win Yasemin back, intensifying the conflict between the two lovers and their families. While many of you may find the wardrobe choices distracting, but I think Aşktan Kaçılmaz is a highly captivating Turkish series with a strong love story, compelling characters, and a tight plot that avoids the usual drawn-out drama, and would highly recommend you all to give this series a try. Number 2. Kanatsız Kuşlar, Broken Wings. Nefize, Deniz Bolasik, is a young mother struggling to raise her 4 children after her husband's death. She works at a restaurant, but the pay is insufficient to support her family. Her eldest daughter, Zeynep, helps by working part-time. One day, Nefize loses her job after bringing her youngest daughter to work and is forced to steal food in exchange for her unpaid salary. While escaping, she helps a wounded man, Muzaffar, by calling an ambulance. Muzaffar, a wealthy businessman attacked by his rivals, survives thanks to Nefize's kindness. He becomes determined to find her but has no information about her. They cross paths again when Nefize is hired to work in Muzaffar's house. Impressed by her purity, Muzaffar offers her a job as the face of his company. Meanwhile, Zeynep meets Muzaffar's stepbrother, Onur, and both Nefize and Zeynep's lives change dramatically, bringing unexpected twists to their futures. Honestly speaking, according to me, this series is filled with so many clichés and unrealistic characters, such as Nefize, who hides behind lies, Emre, whose anger warrants jail time, and Zeynep, who lacks common sense. It's hard to connect with such exaggerated portrayals of people sometimes. If you prefer realistic storylines and well-developed characters, might not enjoy this series. Number 3. Sevda Kuşun Kanadında, On the Wings of Love. On the Wings of Love is a tragic love story set in Turkey during the late 1960s and early 1970s. Tumay, a rebellious university student from a wealthy, leftist family, fights against capitalism despite her father Zafar's disapproval. She participates in political protests and challenges the status quo. Arif, a young man from a conservative, rightist family, is driven by the desire to avenge his father's death. Raised by his aunt, he dreams of studying law at Istanbul University. Tumay and Arif meet during a protest where their conflicting ideologies clash. Tumay is arrested for her activism, and Arif, who wants to avoid political conflict, is brought in as a witness. Despite their differences, their paths continue to cross as they attend the same university. As they get to know each other, their ideological differences give way to love, creating a turbulent and tragic romance. The story explores how their relationship develops amidst political unrest and family pressures, ultimately testing their beliefs and commitment to each other. Number 4. Gumuş. Gumush follows Mehmet Sadoglu, who is broken by his girlfriend's death in a car accident, is urged by his family to marry Gumush, a girl who has loved him since childhood. Although Gumush initially rejoices at the chance to be with Mehmet, she soon realizes he is emotionally distant and still grieving his lost love. Despite this, she remains patient, hoping that Mehmet will eventually reciprocate her feelings. As time passes, Mehmet begins to see Gumush in a new light and falls in love with her. The series unfolds as a modern Cinderella story, showcasing Gumush's transformation from a humble girl to a figure of success, driven by her enduring hope and love. It portrays how a single event can drastically alter one's life, echoing the dramatic shift in Gumush's fate. Gumush is a melodramatic series that combines classic soap opera elements with a modern Cinderella twist. While the romance between Gumush and Mehmet starts off engaging, it tends to drag with repetitive plotlines and melodramatic moments, especially during the prison subplot. The character development often feels shallow, and the series' portrayal of certain situations can be overly idealized. However, the show's charm lies in its passionate love story and the transformation of Gumush from a humble girl to a successful woman. Despite its flaws, it is one of the most popular drama series in the Arab countries, captivating millions with its blend of drama and romance. Number 6. Merhamet, Mercy. This series follows Naren, played by Ongi Namal, who emerges from a harsh childhood marked by poverty and abuse. Her alcoholic father, Recep, and an unsupportive family force her to endure relentless hardship. Despite these obstacles, Naren works tirelessly, ultimately achieving her dream of becoming a successful lawyer in Istanbul. She leaves her troubled past behind, severing ties with her family and focusing on her new life. Her closest friend, Deniz, offers unwavering support. However, Naren's world is shaken when she encounters Firat, her long-lost first love, now engaged to Deniz's sister, Irmak. This reunion forces Naren to confront her unresolved past, including familial ties and deep-seated traumas. As the story unfolds, themes of love, betrayal, and personal ambition intertwine, revealing the complexities of Naren's journey and the impact of her past on her present. The series delves into themes of love, ambition, and reconciliation, offering a mix of emotional depth and dramatic twists. While well-acted and engaging, the conclusion has sparked mixed reactions from viewers. Number 7. Aji Ashk. In a world where love intertwines fates, Bulat, trapped in a loveless marriage with Sudey, finds solace in the enchanting violinist Melika at a hotel opening. Their instant connection ignites a forbidden romance, shadowed by Sudey's desperate longing for affection and Ali's unwavering devotion to love. Unbeknownst to Bulat, Furman, his employer and Sudey's father, holds a dark secret. His negligence led to Bulat's father's tragic death. As Melika and Bulat explore their passionate bond, Sudey's jealousy brews, complicating their lives. Ali, a steadfast friend, grapples with his own feelings for Sudey, torn between loyalty and love. The story unfolds with heartache and sacrifice, questioning whether true happiness can emerge from such tangled emotions. Can Bulat confront his past and break free from Sudey's hold? Will Melika find the courage to fight for their love? Amidst the chaos, each character must choose between passion and the painful sacrifices that love demands. In the end, it fully captures the tumultuous journey of love and sacrifice, featuring strong performances, particularly from Seçkin Özdemir as Bulat. The intense romance between Bulat and Melik is compelling, though some may find the melodrama excessive, and it is also true that there are a lot of episodes of this series which seems a little too draggy, but overall, it's a captivating series that explores the complexities of the heart, resonating with fans despite its flaws. Number 8. Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment. In Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment, Yasemin, a 29-year-old working in advertising, discovers her fiancé's betrayal a week before their wedding. Heartbroken, she retreats to Bodrum to her mother's home. There, she has a chance encounter with Savas, a wealthy man on vacation, and they spend a night together. Yasemin, overwhelmed by guilt, leaves without revealing her identity. Savas, who falls for her, returns to Istanbul after a family tragedy. Yasemin finds out she's pregnant with Savas's child, whom she names Omar. Fearing the implications of the baby being heir to a powerful family, she hides the child. As Savas manages his family's affairs and searches for Yasemin, the series delves into their complex relationship and the secrets that emerge. Aşk ve Ceca, Love and Punishment, offers a mixed bag of drama, romance, and cultural exploration. The series, notable for its compelling performances by Murat Yildirim and Tomris Sinsa, faces criticism for its shaky production quality and pacing issues. While some viewers appreciate the intense acting and the intricate portrayal of conflicting traditions, others find the storylines dragging and the characters' decisions illogical. The show delves into themes of infidelity and societal norms, but the depiction of these elements sometimes feels unrealistic and morally problematic. Despite its flaws, Aşk ve Ceca remains engaging for its exploration of modern versus traditional values and the chemistry between its lead actors. Number 9. Menekşe ile Halil. This is one of the best romantic Turkish series, which revolves around Menekşe, a 20-year-old Turkish girl, and Halil, a Bosnian young man, work together at a Berlin patisserie and share a deep, secret love. Menekşe's conservative father forces her into an arranged marriage with Mustafa, a wealthy suitor. Despite the pressure, she and Halil decide to escape to Istanbul to pursue their love. Their journey becomes perilous when Mustafa and Menekşe's brother, Kadir, follow them to reclaim her. As they navigate the challenges of their new life, they must confront the threats from her family and the traditions that bind them. Halil carries a heavy secret that complicates their relationship further. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the clash between tradition and personal freedom. Menekşe and Halil's fight for happiness becomes a battle against societal norms and family expectations. Will their love survive the turmoil, or will they succumb to the forces determined to tear them apart? Ultimately, it's a poignant tale of resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. This series is a captivating journey through love, filled with rich character dynamics and powerful performances. The chemistry between the leads is palpable, making their emotional struggles deeply engaging. While the beautiful music enhances the storytelling, the bittersweet ending leaves a lasting impact that may not resonate with all viewers. Overall, it's a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Number 10. Heart of the City. Ali, a man with a troubled past, reluctantly returns to Istanbul, where he inadvertently becomes entangled in a series of unexpected events. While attempting to help a young girl named Dirin, he loses his passport, setting off a chain of unpredictable encounters. Dirin, engaged to Yigit, seeks a day of freedom and finds an unexpected connection with Ali. As they spend the day together, their lives take unexpected turns, challenging their preconceptions and altering their futures. Meanwhile, Ali's passport issue leads him to a surprising revelation about his own identity. What will happen next? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 11. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Defne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Defne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Defne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Defne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Defne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Daphne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 12. Unutulma's Unforgettable. Harun, scion of a prosperous family, falls for Milda, admired by his father, but his encounter with Eda sparks a secret romance. Compelled by his father's wishes, Harun marries Milda, unaware of her connection to Eda. Eda, suppressing her feelings, supports her sister, yet finds herself drawn to Harun. As time passes, Eda struggles with her love for Harun and her loyalty to Milda. The complexity deepens when Eda learns she's carrying Harun's child, further entangling their relationships. Caught between familial obligations and her own desires, Eda must navigate the tumultuous path ahead, balancing her loyalty and her heart's yearning. Presents a captivating storyline filled with twists and turns, centered around the classic trope of forbidden love. The protagonist's dilemma of being engaged to one sister while falling for the other adds depth and tension to the narrative. Milda's character stands out as a pillar of strength and grace, providing a refreshing contrast to the tumultuous emotions surrounding her. Number 13. Kara Para Ashk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 14. Sila. This series follows Sila, who is born in Mardin, Turkey, and is sent to a wealthy Istanbul family due to financial struggles. When her brother Azad kidnaps the Agha's sister, village customs dictate Sila must marry Boran, the Agha, to save her brother. As Sila navigates the strict traditions in her new home, an unexpected love blossoms with Boran, impacting not only their lives but also challenging the clash between love and tradition in southeastern Turkey. This series impresses with its bold portrayal of societal clashes, condemning conservative traditions while delivering compelling performances. Despite occasional melodrama, the series stands out for its insightful storytelling, capturing the essence of Turkish culture. Number 15. Cennet in Gocaslari. Cennet in Gocaslari series tells the story about a girl named Cennet, abandoned at her birth, and under her grandmother's guidance, becomes a gifted architect, despite financial hurdles. Time reunites her with her estranged mother and childhood love, leading to a profound journey of revenge and redemption. Through her resilience, Cennet imparts a transformative lesson, showing her loved ones the enduring power of forgiveness and the capacity for change, ultimately redefining their relationships. According to me, this series offers a captivating storyline with resilient characters, but it's marred by overacting, excessive drama, and a slow pace. And somehow, the series lacks balance, with minimal moments of happiness and an abundance of sorrow, making it a polarizing watch. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in learning about more Turkish series like this, then please click here.